वेबिनार में आप सबका स्वागत है। इस वेबिनार में साउथ से भी और नॉर्थ से और ईस्ट और नॉर्थ ईस्ट से भी लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और इस बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर हम अपने एक्सपर्ट्स की राय सुनने जा रहे हैं इस वेबिनार में। As you all know, friends, that debate about reopening of schools has been started. 5 months, 1.5 million schools, thousands of colleges, institutes are closed, and about 32 million children are out of school in India. Few privileged are engaged through online education, but majority of children from rural areas and urban slums are able to get access online education because 24% people have internet facilities in our country. Mobile facilities are also insufficient for the majority of children. Many children, especially girls, have committed suicide due to unavailability of devices in different parts of the country. The divide has become an important issue in this during this Corona pandemic. Though you know that big technology companies are trying to make it a permanent solution, exploring this crisis as an opportunity to expand their business. But in our country, there is no scope to replace teacher in schools. Technology can help additionally to the teachers, and it can be used as a skill for children. This is high time for us to re-establish the larger objective of education. The role of education for socializing children, build equity in a society, establish principle of social justice, egalitarian values as enshrined in the Constitution, and use of education as a transformative tool. And you know that issue of reopening of schools is very hectic today. There are many opinions, difference in opinions. Some people are saying that cases of corona is increasing and coming months are very alarming. Our health system is still not appropriate to respond. So how can we allow millions of our children to go to school? We have no wash facilities in half of schools, as it is dangerous to start schools without ensuring the safety and security measures. They are saying that it should be left on the local communities and local officials to assess the situation, and then they decide the reopening of schools. But some people are saying that, and their concern is about the discontinuation of education of children who are from the marginalized communities. They are saying that as National Education Policy 2020 is saying that 3.2 crores children at the present out of school in our country. They are saying that if these schools remain closed for a long time, number of out of school will be double. It means more than 6 crore children would be out of school after the corona crisis. So this is the big threat for the education and children, and the number of child labor, child trafficking, child marriages would be increased. So these are two opinions, and in between we are just we will listen to our panel, we will listen to our experts. What is the status of school, and how can, because if school are not having wash facility, drinking water, toilet, and inclusive atmosphere for disabled, for girls, if our preparedness is not appropriate, how can we imagine that schools be open? So these are the situation. So our panels are very experts and they are very renowned in their fields. So I will leave to the moderator to introduce each panel to the audience. And our moderator is Radhika ji. Radhika ji is very renowned activist, theater artist also, and she is working on the for the disabled children, and she is National Council member of the Right to Education Forum. So I would request Radhika ji to start this webinar and introduce the panel and context also.
जी